Hello, it's Miss Haig back again for some numeracy. We are going to do part whole again, but with colors. So grab your paints or grab your crayons or grab your markers, and facilitators, you're just going to make a couple of sheets like this. So they're to paint 2 or stamp 2 red out of this 10 circle frame, 8 green, and then represent the whole here. So they're getting their reds, they're learning their numbers, they're looking at their colors, they're counting, and they're seeing a representation that 8 and 2, when they color in 2 red and 8 green down here, is 10. So think of some combinations where you decompose 10 and different colors, and maybe give 2 or 3 out per each learner, depending on how quickly they get the hang of it, and see what happens. I love to put out watercolors so they can paint and have a little bit of fun with that. All right, have a beautiful time, and I'll see you soon.